My dad was killed in 1984 in a trucking accident. I was 6 and my little sister was 5. After he passed away, my mom just kind of went rogue, like really couldn't handle any of that situation. We were taking care of ourselves every single day, making sure my sister had food, making sure we got to school on time, because we were left alone. We didn't have anybody. You make that your normal, and now we know it's not normal at all. I saw my mom get hauled off. Like, she was put on a stretcher in a straitjacket. I was angry, like very angry. I think if it wasn't for Youth Dynamics, I would have been a statistic. That's what I would have been. I would have been another drug addict. I would have been another runaway. From the bottom of my heart, if I wouldn't have had them, or even just like some moments with them, it would have been a different outcome. You're the best thing that ever happened to me.
Youth Dynamics is a community-based mental health center for children. We provide mental health support services for kids in Montana.
Children are our future, and every child is important. There are a lot of tough things that happen in life, from car accidents to death of a family member, a divorce, drug and alcohol addiction within a family. Things like that can certainly have a real effect on a child in their growth and development.
Sometimes they just need an adult's care and guidance, and that's mostly what children need. They need structure, they need an adult's guidance, and they need love. We have therapists and care managers, just all kinds of people who wrap their services around that child.
Anything from a mentor to case management.
Group homes to therapeutic foster care, they're kind of the whole package for children's mental health.
Every experience is different than the next, and there isn't a manual. And I think the more diversity that you have in those kind of programs, it means the most.
I was the Youth Dynamics respite provider. Youth Dynamics will call and say, you know, I've got this child and, you know, can you do respite for them such and such day? And I got a call about Jazz and I picked her up and we just clicked. We baked together and we rode four-wheelers. She's come a long way. She has thrived. She is succeeding.
It was really fun going to her house like once a month. I actually felt like more of a person. You were pretty much like another mom to me.
I've told you before, you're beautiful inside and you're beautiful outside. And there's nothing that I wouldn't do for you.
We can literally help change lives. We are here to serve, and our doors are open.
A lot of times those families just need some support in there and some guidance.
I work with a brain injury and I'm also trying to homeschool. When we heard about Youth Dynamics, we decided to give that a try. They came in and helped us kind of get our family out of crisis. They were like, okay, how can we help? Here's the situation, you know, what works for each person.
And I'm really glad that they helped me pass my goals, you know.
We started with Youth Dynamics and it was really good for both of us.
I got a mentor. I can get out of the house and like have a person I can bond with and talk to. And I think that's just really good for me.
Kenny has grown up a lot.
Makes me feel proud. I've gone from being just an angry kid, just unhappy, to being where I am today.
Without Youth Dynamics, some children won't make it. I mean, they need that. They need the wraparound services. They need everything that the program has to offer to thrive and to grow and to succeed. These kids need us, and that's why we do what we do.
Youth Dynamics is important for the sake of our children. We give them a path for their future.
They need an adult in their life that shows up for them and that they know cares for them.
We strive for that as a team.
We aren't going to force the child to be who they are not. We're going to work with them and guide them. We meet that child where they're at and eventually get them where they need to be.
I believe we can make a difference in children's lives. We all have struggles, and sometimes we just need help.
That's who we are. That's who we are as an agency. That's why we do what we do. We want to see successes, and it happens every day at Youth Dynamics.